Cold, very cold. Welcome everyone, welcome to the vlog. Welcome to 2-Lane Blacktop. Today will be my introduction video to the vlog, to the channel, 2-Lane Blacktop. It'll also be my introduction to Indian motorcycle world. 2-Lane Blacktop. 2-Lane Blacktop, I never named it after the movie. 2-Lane Blacktop was a friend of mine way back in the day when we were young and bulletproof and riding our Harleys. A buddy of mine had a license plate and it said 2-Lane on it. I thought that was so cool, and the blacktop part of it just sort of popped into my head, and I didn't even think of the movie. But anyway, that's how 2-Lane, that's how the name 2-Lane Blacktop came around. I'm spent most of my life working in the automotive industry and growing a family. So a little bit about myself. I'm over 40. I'm Batman. Happily married and been riding for many decades. So what will the channel cover? Well, I figured, I would cover my interests. So what will the channel cover? What will we do on this channel? Well, obviously riding, tons of riding, and like I said earlier, I'll try and cover a lot of events down here in southern Ontario, and broadcast them to you guys via YouTube or Indian Motorcycle World. And let's see, what else? There'll be a little bit of this. And then maybe a little bit of this. So that's it for today, guys. Get out there and ride. Enjoy your machines. But always remember, ride safe.